Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually going to take the final look at the Copart Ford Escape. I know you guys have seen this car a lot, but now we're totally done with it. So we're going to go ahead and do like we did with the Impala, just give you a rundown of what it looks like, what the costs were, things like that. And then we'll move on to the next one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright guys, so this one was exciting. This is probably the favorite rebuild that I've done, and I think the one that came out the best and is the best. This car is in really good condition, and it's awesome. I really like driving it and enjoying it, and I'll probably continue to do that for a little bit. Anyways, what we have here is the 2012 Ford Escape Copart rebuild, and as you can see, it is not wrecked in the front anymore. So this one, in case you're just seeing this video and you haven't seen the others, the accident occurred right up here in the front and left. And actually, so radiator, condenser, all that stuff, bumper, all that stuff was replaced, and it is new. But she's looking great, guys. Look at that front end. We got new headlights, grill there. It's looking really good. So this thing is the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive. So it adds a little bit of value there. So comment down below, guys. Let me know what you think I have in this thing, money-wise. I mean, you guys have seen what I've done to it. I'd like to see with the comments before I just give it away. Interior came out really nice, as you saw in the detail video, but really nice interior. It almost looks like new. You know, it's got your scuffs and things here and there from just usage, but almost looks like new. Really nice condition. We'll go ahead and even fire it up for you guys. She fires right up, no problem at all. Has the coldest AC I think I've ever had in a vehicle. And no lights, everything goes out. It's just telling me to put my seatbelt on, and we got the driver door open, obviously. But you can hear that runs like a champ. We've got cold AC, no issue. So that's the interior. I've got everything nice and clean. That's how I like to keep my cars, guys. Once I rebuild them, get them inspected, by the way, which we do have the Pennsylvania official inspection on this one, which is good to go. I go ahead and detail them last, because that's kind of fun, and you know you're at the end of the road with the car, and you know you're ready to go. So that's the front there. I'll take a look at the back seat if I could unlock it. There we go. Same thing, pretty clean back here. A few scuffs here and there, nothing major. I did go ahead and get a set of floor mats for it because they were missing. But there's the back seat. This thing wasn't used too terribly much, guys. It's got 83,000 miles. Sure, it was dirty, but as far as the shape that it's in for almost 10-year-old vehicle, I mean, this thing is in great shape. I mean, it's got a ton of life left. By the way, this is kind of silly, but I like this. Some of these newer cars now just have it where you can stick the thing in and fill her up. Really nice to have. And then just looking at the back here, same thing. Cleaned this up, vacuumed it out. Looking really nice. It even still has the factory, guys, I am struggling. The factory jack. Thank you very much, finally remembered. Underneath the floor there, as well as the factory spare. I don't think they were ever used, which is awesome. We've got the manual with this thing, the original manual. Here's looking at it from back here. Again, everything looks great. Looks like you can even fold these up, and you got all that space in there to hold stuff, which is nice. So pretty good vehicle. You can do a lot with this thing. So now that you guys have commented below and let me know what you think we have in this, we have, well, I'll tell you like this. We got $6,000 in this thing. Again, it's a 2012. The Kelley Blue Book is anywhere between $700 and $9,500. It just depends on your options, things like that. So this one I think falls pretty fair, around the $9,000 to $9,500 mark. Again, with an R title, you might take a little bit less than that. But anyways, that's where we are in this thing, right around 6, and she's worth right around 9, which, if you ask me, is pretty awesome. And I think this is probably the best one we've done as far as value. And I can already tell already that you know, folks seem to like the SUV and also the color. I mean, I've driven this thing. My normal test is to drive it about 150 miles round trip to my parents. Not round trip, one way and then back, 150 miles each way. And everybody says, oh, nice color, you know, it looks nice, and everything like that. So definitely we'll do more SUV type vehicles in the future. But yeah, it came out great. 6,000. Now I did notice when I was driving it that it did need front brakes. Again, the pads were good, rotors looked good. Sometimes that doesn't tell the full tale. So we did go ahead and throw a set of new pads and rotors on the front. Just so you know, I'm not just telling you that I actually did. I'll show them to you. Brand new. Did that because she was just shuddering just a little bit. And guys, I like to do these cars 110% so that nothing's wrong with them and they're good to go. In case I decide to sell it or something like that, it's good for the next guy. Or if I want to drive it for a while, I don't have to worry about it. I can get in it and know it's going to get me where I need to go. So anyways, guys, pretty excited about this rebuild. This one came out really nice. This is the last look we're going to see the Escape on the channel. So just wanted to show it because she's looking really nice and shiny right now. And for a 2012 vehicle, guys, I think she looks great. So comment down below, let me know what you think. And we will be on to the next one, guys. More exciting stuff to come. Alrighty, thanks for tuning into the channel there, guys. Again, drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think of this rebuild. Also, like this video and subscribe if you're not already. I do these kind of rebuilds probably over and over again. So if you're interested in it, want to see more, definitely subscribe down below. I'd appreciate it. And let me know what you think we should do. We got a Volvo over here. Out there, guys. We got a Volvo over here that needs some attention, so that'll be next. But after that, I want to do something different. I'm not sure quite what it's going to be yet. Definitely going to be something a little bit newer and about the same mileage as this Escape or less. Because then I don't have to do much suspension work. I can just take care of the accident, and everything else on the car is pretty good, unless of course the accident impacted suspension. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go on and get out of here. Catch you guys next time. Always get out there and do it yourself.